Daddy. I'm late for school.
Oh, my stomach's rumbling again. I don't have any money. Oh, I'll be right back. Let's see. Ew, that'll do. An old apricot? Better than nothing. Here, April, I picked your lunch.
Bye-bye.
Hurry up and get to class, sweetie.
This is yummy. Daddy works so hard to make sure I have everything I need. I love our pictures together. Oh, a message. I love surprises. I'm on my way.
Ow.
I wonder what's in store for me. Maybe a new toy? Or maybe a mountain of goodies?
Yay!
I can't wait! Wow! Is it raining money around here?
Wow!
Fantastic! I'm getting lucky today. I think I'll take some with me. No one minds, right? Cool! I need to tell Dad. Dad, look what I found! Isn't it great?
Honey, Lori and I got married, and now you are going to have a new mom.
I am so happy! Ugh, not so close, honey. Honey? But that's okay. I'll clean up in here. No more of this tasteless stuff.
I'm sorry, daughter. I can't help it.
Here you go. Get yourself something decent. Mr. Teddy! It's torn!
Baby, what's wrong? Oh, honey, we're going to sew him up.
Are you really going to save him?
Give me a few minutes. Oh, what is that?
How about a little help? Oh no! Oh no! What is this? What a pathetic thing! Hey! But that's my Mr. Teddy! Stop being hysterical! I've got something better!
One more time.
Come on! Here! It's your new stuffed friend! It's big and soft! Well, don't thank me! I don't want that giant bear! Mr. Teddy, are you okay? I'll never hurt you again! April and Mr. Teddy have been best friends since they were little. And friendship can't be bought. Phew, that's better. Right, buddy? The family picnic is in full swing.
Shall we split it?
Of course! Shoo! I hate insects! And people! Hey! How about an innocent prank? Psst! Dad, look what I got! I think Lori will appreciate this! That's it! I need to eat something to cope with this stress!
I haven't laughed like that in a long time.
This is probably my best prank ever! You're messing with the wrong one! Hello! We have an emergency!
Toxic waste! Everybody off the perimeter! Are you serious?
There you go! Now there won't be any bugs here! Total disinfection! Hey! What about our picnic?
Miss, wear a mask for your safety! Hurry! Get out of the danger zone!
Ah! I'm a genius!
You know, sometimes you are so toxic! Take that! Give me something to eat, please! I'm very hungry, miss!
Oh, you poor thing! I have an idea! Sir, come with me! I'll get you some food! Wait for me here!
Thank you so much!
What kind of news is that? Some hobo is hanging around my house? Guards! Get him out of here immediately!
Hey, you! You don't belong here! Ouch! My arm!
Here I come! Hey! What's going on? Oh, yeah? There you go! Pick on someone your own size!
Haha! Creamy face! That That's pretty good. Hey, you! Those are actually my glasses. Biscuit. Oh, boy. What are you doing? I don't want to see you here again.
This is just outrageous! Brandon, you are fired!
Well, daughter, are you ready for a cooking experiment?
I'm always ready!
Let's mix the flour and eggs.
And add milk!
Good job! Now, we have to mix it all well. That's it! Oh, April! Make sure there are no lumps in the dough.
Let's see! Ow! Daddy!
Hey! What are you doing?
Sorry!
Ha ha ha! That's my little girl! Just like Daddy! Well, time to put the dough in the oven. Ta-da! The family pie is ready!
Wow! What's that smell in here? Interesting. Alright, I'll try a bite. I don't even know. How is it? Is it good? Oof! Terrible! Don't ever offer me that disgusting thing again! Hello, cake delivery? Wow, what a service! Help yourself! And get this out of my sight! It belongs in the dog bowl! That's it! Oh, I'm going to show her! You'll thank me! Bye! April, stop!
I hope she hasn't changed her mind.
Hey, Dennis! Give me 5 more minutes!
Of course, April.
The rich mom is already here! We don't donate money to beggars!
You got it all wrong. I'm April's boyfriend. Here.
No, boy! Don't even think about going on a date dressed like that! The magic of money works wonders! That's so much better! Good luck, handsome!
Wow, I'm pretty good.
Here I am! Dennis?
Wow.
It looks like Dennis 2.0 has already chosen another date! That's not fair! Let me see. There!
How about we play something else?
Are you afraid of losing? I win! Who's the coolest one here? And I've got something better for you! Wow, thank you! VR glasses are every teenager's dream! Give me the ball! Give me the ball! But something seems to have gone wrong.
Ouch! April! Stop!
Young lady, stop this right now! Uh-oh! Did I do all that?
Yeah, you are like a typhoon.
Oh my God! What a mess! Clean it up and no talking! All the books are here! Time for school! Wait, April! Are you going to wear this? Yes, I am! Not another word! I'm going to teach you some real style! Ah! Perfect!
Yeah.
I got an A on my test!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Easy!
The classmates should step aside. The school bully should look out. The ultra-fashionable April is coming. Uh-oh! Miss Stewart! What's all the fuss about? What? This is outrageous! April! What's that look you're wearing? And that skirt? It's a disaster! To my office! Now! This is just outrageous! Don't your parents watch you? Dad?
Good afternoon, Principal. You called for us?
Oh, yes! Look at your daughter's uniform! And that makeup! You have to take action!
What?
This place has bad energy! You know what? You all can go! La 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 la. wildness is that? Flowers? Wow! Put that broom away! Now! I'm allergic to flowers! Enough whining! Here's the compensation for the damage! Compensation, you say? Oh, all right! In the morning, the rich mother was in for a nasty surprise! What a familiar smell! Oh no! My allergies! Wait a minute! What are all these flowers doing here? April! I hate you, nasty girl!
Mamma Mia! What's the matter with you?
Your daughter is a monster! I've had enough of this poverty! I don't intend to put up with it anymore!
My love, don't go away!
Goodbye, backwater!
Lori, please! I don't want to be poor again!
I'm getting a divorce!
No, please! Don't be hasty!
Daddy, don't cry! Look what I brought! Lots of money!
Yes! We're rich again!
Meanwhile, rich Lori had another surprise waiting for her. I finally got rid of them! The main thing is that my money is always with me. Huh? They're insects!